What is up YouTube? Ruben here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install Windows 2.0 in VirtualBox. The version I'm going to use is Windows 2.03. There is also Windows 2.1 and there is Windows 2.11. I tried to get Windows NT 3.5 to work, but I cannot get it to work for some reason. So yeah, I'm going to skip NT 3.5. So let's get started. So you're going to need VirtualBox. You're also going to need WinRAR or 7-zip, a video tutorial on how to install MS-DOS 6.22, and a direct link to WinRAR PC to get the floppy images. So let's get started. In Windows 2.0, it's already been labeled in IMG files. So let's get started. So we're going to click on New, and we're going to type in Windows 2.0. Again, it's Windows 2.03, and you need to set it to Windows 3.1. Then hit Next, Next, Create, Next, Next, Create. And I have a VHD if you want to have it for Virtual PC or VMware. So we're going to click on Settings, Storage, and you don't even need a CD, so you can do that. Then we need to look for the empty floppy, and we need to look for our Windows NT. No, we're going to look for your MS-DOS 6.22 floppies. So I'm going to install MS-DOS 6.22, so I'll be back. Once you finish installing MS-DOS 6.22, go ahead and grab the disk number 1 to set up and build disk. Then type in A:, then type in setup. Once you're there, just hit enter. Enter. Make sure you set it to IBM Personal System 2 model 25 or 30, or you can do the IBM PC XT, AT, or 100% compatible. So I'm going to select that. We're going to use the first one, US keyboard, Microsoft mouse, no change, and now we need to insert the display disk. So do that. If it comes up, just go down to continue setup and hit United States or whatever region. Then now we need the font disk or disk number 4. Then hit enter. Now we need the right disk, so it's right here, disk number 5. Now hit F. But before you do that, you need to take out your floppy. Now type in Win. And as you can see, we have successfully installed Windows 2.0 in VirtualBox. If you go to File and then hit About MS-DOS Executive, you should see that we have successfully installed Windows 2.0 in VirtualBox. So thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon while I upload new videos. Follow me on Twitter at RubenUpToDetail17 or Instagram at RubenTheTransitFan. So that's how to install Windows 2.0 in VirtualBox. So I'll see you next time.